Blockchain has the potential to change the world.
We recognize that while there are great societal advantages to blockchain, societies won't benefit until companies can adopt it en masse. Although organizations are evaluating blockchain, many are coming to grips with the reality that there are significant hurdles out there to getting their arms around the technology.
Early adopters of blockchain have struggled with various learning curves, dealing with distributed peer-to-peer networks, heavy cryptography, new frameworks, new programming languages, and written thousands of lines of code over months or years, and that investment is already obsolete.
The way that these technologies run is different, it's cloud-centric. It needs a level of understanding of distributed computing that is not just naturally there inside of every single business.
Kaleido is an all-in-one platform that really brings together not just the day one problems, but all the problems that companies are going to face on their journeys to getting their consortiums online.
Kaleido is bringing something new to the industry to help them move forward in a more cost-effective, efficient, and more successful approach.
Kaleido makes it much easier to try new things. You can focus on what you are really good at, your differentiators, and we will take care of the technology part.
Fundamentally, we see that every business that's adopting blockchain is doing it cloud first and needs a cloud first vendor. We are going to be the first time that you can go to this large cloud vendor and you can say, give me a blockchain.
We believe that cloud is a great fit for blockchain, mostly because of the decentralized manner of the cloud, that organizations can form consortiums on a globally distributed network. We're providing our customers with an easy way to start consortiums and start driving blockchain products to production.
There's no one else in the marketplace who can provide the full range of capabilities that we do today.
Kaleido utilizes Ethereum, the most proven smart contract platform in the market today.
They can start small with a proof of concept, maybe with 2 or 3 participants, scale to a pilot with 5 or 10, and then go into production with 100, all using the same tooling, the same analytics.
Analytics obviously is extremely important. It gives you information about how your network is doing, how your nodes are doing, the health of those nodes. The real value where we're going is being able to decorate the information in the blockchain with business semantics that allows the businesses and the enterprises to extract insights from that data.
We've got the raw performance in the protocols, we've got the choice of protocols, and most important to me, we're providing the user experience centered around the business that needs to come together on top of this platform.
Public and private blockchain technologies have been evolving largely independently over the last couple years. But we knew that a next generation platform was going to have to focus on the convergence of those two.
We came up with this idea where private chains can gain additional protection from the higher security on the mainnet by putting the state on the private chain up to the mainnet.
It's a really beautiful, elegant tool and a hint at how private permissioned and the public permissionless blockchain will work together in the future.
Some of the clients that we've been working with are tackling really interesting problems. We're working across many industries such as banking, government, travel, healthcare, and more. Customers such as Union Bank and Cantaloupe Bank are looking at how they can tackle the problem of financial inclusion in the rural communities by using blockchain.
We thought of how can we use blockchain, an emerging technology, and address an age-old legacy problem of financial inclusion. Kaleido allows us to use the same infrastructure to integrate the transaction between rural banks and allow for a more fluid exchange of money between them.
I see Kaleido as that potential to make it consumable to every enterprise. That's momentum that we want in the blockchain space to change the way we do business, to change the access to services outside of where current technologies can reach, can be realized because it's achievable, it's doable in a way that it wasn't before.
Literally in a few clicks you can have a consortium up and running, A few clicks and you can add a node. It really is very simple to use.
It enables us to suggest to companies that might want to collaborate with one another to put their shared IT infrastructure together on Kaleido, on AWS, and you can start a proto-consortium with 2 counterparties and 1 use case, and you can add companies and remove companies as necessary. So it's an incredibly flexible, easy-to-use infrastructure.
Our mission is really to see enterprises adopt blockchain faster. Blockchain is hard, but with Kaleido, it doesn't have to be.